Okay, here we are. Biker build-off. Sahara Hotel, Las Vegas, Nevada.
That's what you were talking about out there.
Here's Rasta, this year's first winner.
I'm the winner.
Wiener.
He's built himself a hell of a bike, family bike. A bike that's going to keep it moving into the next century.
That's right. All I used was Allen wrenches, my hands, and a hammer. And Rick Roll helped, Del Delta helped, and Spicoli helped, and Ephraim did the paint. This is Ephraim's paint job.
You guys, that's what outstanding build crew you have there.
These guys here don't stand a chance. They pants on the ground, pants on the ground.
Whoa, how do they build like that? You can't run from cops, and you can't build hard knocks like that. Oh, let's see the detail.
Hey, Popcorn.
What's up, Doug?
What you looking at, brother?
Dr. Dougie PR.
You know it.
Mayhem Customs. Ooh, I like that. Let's take a picture. The South Dakota boys.
San Diego.
San Diego.
I mean San Diego. San Diego Hard Knocks. Building a Woody. Wow.
Bambooey.
A Drambuoy?
A bamboo. We're gonna tear out of town with a TP tear.
Freaking nice, man.
Isn't that bad? Look at the tank. Oh my god, the tank is awesome.
Whoa, they did the motor.
We don't want to cut too much.
That is badass. Yeah. I like that. That is so nice to touch. Yeah. A lot of detail. And look down here on the frame. That is crazy. Oh my god. This is gonna be badass.
Wow, everybody really stepped it up this year.
They
I love
did.
that bamboo look.
I know. Isn't that killer? I just saw my whole life.
Oh, you were here last year.
Nah, I stopped by. Everybody has already done building and stuff. I didn't bring a motorcycle or nothing.
Right.
Oh, dude. I'm glad you made it this year. This one's gonna kill.
Check it out.
It
The
is
new
bad.
handlebars,
I like it.
switches. It's got the internal throttle.
I need to sit
Here, Nate, you want to do this one?
I got some spanking. Cody's back.
No, I'm done with them, dude.
Okay,
got
let's
over
put
here?
the crosses.
Yeah, I get that one.
The chosen frozen.